The Maxwell Heaviside equations. They're a set of fundamental equations in physics that describe how electric and magnetic fields interact. They're named after two brilliant minds, James Clerk Maxwell and Oliver Heaviside. These two scientists made significant contributions to refining and formalizing these equations. James Clerk Maxwell was a 19th century Scottish physicist known for his groundbreaking work in the field of electromagnetism. He's considered one of the greatest physicists of all time. Maxwell developed a set of equations that elegantly summarized the relationship between electric and magnetic fields, showing how they could propagate as waves through space. These equations lay the foundation for much of our modern understanding of electromagnetism and its practical applications. Oliver Heaviside, on the other hand, was an English electrical engineer and physicist who lived around the same time as Maxwell. Heaviside took Maxwell's original equations and reworked them into the form that we commonly use today. He made the equations more concise, easier to work with, which was a huge step in making electromagnetism more practical for engineers and scientists. These equations help us understand how electricity and magnetism are connected and how they behave. They tell us things like how electric charges create electric fields and how changing magnetic fields can create electric currents. This might sound a bit abstract, but these concepts are at the heart of so much of our modern technology. For example, the signals that carry our phone calls, text messages, and data are all transmitted as electromagnetic waves out of your cell phone. They are described by the Maxwell Heaviside equations. Without these equations, we wouldn't have the wireless communication that's become such a crucial part of our lives. The history of these equations goes back to the collaborative efforts of Maxwell and Heaviside. Their work in the 19th century refined and summarized complex ideas about electricity and magnetism into these four specific equations. It was a huge step forward in our understanding of how these forces work and laid the foundation for many technological advancements. As for the future, the Maxwell Heaviside equations remain a crucial part of physics, and they're used in various fields including electrical engineering, telecommunications, and even in developing technologies like electromagnetic waves, like radio, Wi-Fi, and 5G networks. These are interesting things with JC.